In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen time to never. First of all, open Play Store and get free app called Caffeine, keep screen on. When it's ready, open it. Now select OK in the welcome pop-up. Click on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you're ready, just exit your app and go into Tab menu. Now you need to tap on this pen at the top right corner of it, scroll all the way down and find Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it, drag it to the top, let go and go back. Finally, you can activate it by clicking on the newly added shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!